You've designed a great product and finalized the manufacturing process, but chaos still reigns on the factory floor. How do you ensure that every operator on every shift performs every check the exact same way every time? Relying on random inspection is a recipe for defects. You need discipline and structure. Today we are diving into the bedrock of manufacturing quality, the control plan. We'll use this free interactive online tool to show you how quality engineers systematically document every check, every test, and every required reaction across all phases of manufacturing. If your goal is repeatable, zero-defect production, the control plan is your operational blueprint. The methodology. The control plan is one of the foundational documents of the APQP framework. Like FMEA and PPAP, it originated in the automotive industry and was later formalized in the IATF 16949 standard. Its creation was driven by the need for standardization. Automakers demanded that every supplier globally use the same format to document how they intended to control their manufacturing processes. The core philosophy is that quality must be planned and controlled at the source, not just inspected for at the end of the line. Simply put, a control plan is a living document that systematically describes the methods used to control the features of a part and the process required to manufacture it. Step-by-step guide using the tool. Crucially, a complete control plan must document quality checks across distinct phases. This online tool is structured precisely to follow the industry standard format. Step 1. Header and initial data initialization. Before defining process steps, establish the context. Enter the control plan number, part name/description, supplier code, and the core team. Use the radio buttons to select the current phase, prototype, pre-launch, or production. Step 2. Process and characteristics. In the main table, define the process name and machine. Then, move to the heart of the plan, defining the characteristic and its spec/tolerance. Step 3. Special characteristics and evaluation. This is a critical step. Use the specific drop-down menu to flag critical features. You can select special characteristic, purple, regulatory, orange, or safety characteristic, red. These visual markers ensure that critical to quality features are instantly recognizable. Then, select your evaluation technique, such as a micrometer or visual inspection. Step 4. Control and reaction. Next, define your sample size/frequency and control method. Finally, complete the reaction plan, the immediate action the operator must take if a characteristic is non-compliant, and assign a responsible person by name and position to ensure accountability. Conclusion and CTA. The tool allows you to easily add and remove rows, maintaining a clean, dynamic plan. Once complete, you can instantly export to Excel for formal distribution and record keeping. The control plan is the final piece of the quality puzzle. It ensures that the risks identified in your FMEA are managed by real-world controls, making your process repeatable, predictable, and compliant. The link to this free control plan analysis tool is in the description below. Start standardizing your quality checks today and lock in those zero-defect results. Which part of the control plan do you find the hardest to maintain in your facility? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more manufacturing and quality engineering tools.